Hello, welcome back to another video on my Spark 143 unboxings, and today we're talking about all three 2015 Porsche 919 hybrids. In 2015, Porsche entered three cars into the top class at Le Mans. The LMP1 hybrid class was already dominated by Audi and Toyota. This was Porsche's second year battling it out amongst these manufacturers, and they were looking for better results. This year, they added another bullet to really take the fight to Audi and Toyota. The Porsches did amazing in qualifying, taking the top three spots for the race. During the race, it was basically an Audi-Porsche fight. Those cars were swapping the lead back and forth, but with heavy traffic and attrition in the race, cars starting having incidents and causing some major drama. One of the Audis crashed heavily coming up on a pack of GT cars that were slowing down for a slow zone. Apparently there was miscommunication with the flag marshals and that Audi just got caught out. He crashed and hit the wall, that car got repaired. During the night, the pole-sitting Porsche went off track at Mulsanne Corner. Another one of the Audis had a mysterious crash coming out of karting. The number 17 Porsche also had a minor off in turn 1. And the number 19 Porsche also went into the garage for repairs. So there was a lot of drama going on in the top class. However, when the checkered flag fell, it was Porsche 1-2. Porsche finally dethroned Audi's 13-win streak. What an amazing accomplishment for the brand. All three Porsches finished in the top 5, with the number 19 car finishing first overall. The red 17 919 finished second, and the black 18 finished 5th. With all the drama going on, it was an extremely exciting race to watch. Let's talk about the number 19 winning Porsche. This year, they're doing a cool sort of gradient with the box. You've got this blue and yellow on each side. And on the back, you have this really cool track map. And inside, you have the pit straight with all the fans. And this is cool. You have this little Michelin sort of signage board that says the winner and the car class. There's the gold trophy. And let's unbox it. What's really cool about these three cars is the livery. Their mission statement was Porsche Intelligent Performance, and it's all written right here. But on top of the car, you have Porsche Intelligent Performance. So you can really see they actually put their mission statement on top of the car. And what's cool is that the letters actually form these cool shapes, and it gives the car a very unique look. It's a very striking livery, and you could easily spot the cars on the track. I love the design of it, and it's just cool to have letters actual form graphic shapes on them. Also, racing is a great way for a brand to unveil their future design cues. And this year, Porsche was going a different direction with their headlights. It's a 4-quadrant system, and when I first saw it, I wasn't very keen on it. It looks kind of boxy, and it just didn't really do anything for me. But since time has passed, and when you go back and look at them, they look super cool now. So this is the number 19 winning car. The drivers were ex-Formula One racer Nico Hülkenberg. You got Earl Bamber and Nick Tandy. Porsche had an outstanding group of drivers for this race. This is the winning car. Let's check out the second place car. Here is the second place car, the number 17 Red 919. It qualified second overall and finished second overall. Same box design as I mentioned earlier, and let's unbox it. This car is very popular among the fans. Even though the white car won, you can find that pretty easily, but this red car is kind of hard to find. And I must say, the red is quite striking. You had drivers Timo Bernard, Mark Webber, and Brendan Hartley. The red really stands out. I love the white on the front of the car. The letters really pop on that part. You can see on the top that the letters start to fade out. And on the white car, it's hard to see, but on the colored cars, it's a little more apparent. But the front is very striking. You got the 4-quadrant headlights, as I mentioned earlier, the red and the white, and then it fades out to mostly red back here by this dorsal fin. But the cars look incredible, and when you line them all up together and become one unit. This car had a couple of offs during the race, but still managed a great finish. As I said earlier, second overall and second in qualifying. It looks incredible. Let's move on to the black car. Here is the final car in the Porsche lineup, the black 18919. It qualified on the pole and managed a 5th overall in the race. Let's check it out. The sleek black 919. Black and white on the front with the 4 headlights, the type fading out into this dark black, and it's on a white base plate. It contrasts so well, and I actually think I like the white bases. I know a lot of them are on black or gray, but when I see a car on a white base, it's pure art. The drivers on this car were Romain Dumas, Neil Johnny, and Mark Lieb. Just an incredible lineup, and it really showed because the Porsches were 1, 2, 3 in qualifying, and they managed a top 5 finish, dethroning Audi and reclaiming Le Mans victory. So here they are, all 3 Porsches from the 2015 race, and they look amazing. That does it for the 2015 Porsches in the LMP1 class. I've got a couple more Spark 2015 cars to talk about, and I hope you join me for the rest. I'm going to be uploading a new video every Friday, so give me a like and a follow. Check back often, and I'll see you in the next one.